Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a skinny belt mainly for women. If you guys want to use it, they definitely can as well. So obviously this one is not for me. I got this as a gift for someone, but I definitely wanted to test it out first. So first thing first, I'm actually opening up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when we open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. It's nicely wrapped and everything. So the one that we got right here, it comes in a 2-pack. So you guys get 2 belts in here instead of just one. And at the very bottom of the package itself, you guys can see there's some more stuff in there. So they give you guys this little card right here saying thank you. They give you guys one of these hole punchers to add extra hole if you guys need more holes. And at the very bottom, they do give you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to make it shorter to make the hole if you guys need to. And that's basically everything in the package itself. So now let's actually take a look at the product itself right here. So when you take it out, you guys can see they have these inside here to protect the product itself from getting molds or whatever. But this is basically what the product looks like inside. So both of them work the same way, but let me actually show you guys what both of them look like when actually fully expanded. Right. So this is how far this one is. You guys can definitely choose the size based on whatever size you guys fit. Let me actually take off this part right here and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. So this is the front part. And this is the back part right here. So they don't provide you guys the screw. They probably need to unscrew this part right here. So you definitely need to use your own one. But all you guys need to do is unscrew this part right here. And then can cut the actual belt to the correct length if it's too long. So once you guys are done with that, you can use the hole puncher right here to drill a hole. So you guys can put back on the screw and this part right here. Let me actually put it on myself and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you just want to put it on like this. Put it through the hole, wherever you guys fit. So I'm going to use that one right there. Put it through the first hole, second one right here. And that's basically what it looks like for this one right here. If I want to use the second one right here, I just want to do the same thing and open it up first. Alright, so we're all set. So that's basically what it looks like once you guys put it on and wear it. And you guys can see how thin the actual belt is. So if you guys are trying to look for a skinny leather belt like these, then these are really, really nice. But if you guys want the bigger ones, that like the normal one that usually everyone uses, like this one right here, you guys can see the huge size difference right here. Let me actually put this on as well and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so I just want to clip it on like that. And the cool thing about this belt in particular right here is the fact that it's so much easier to put it on. Like all I need to do is just pull it and it clips on. And once I want to release it, I just want to press the bottom part right here and then release it, if I can see. So I just go like that. Whereas for these right here, I need to push it out like this and then go like that to take it out. So the extra step compared to what I have right here, which is not as convenient, but definitely works pretty well as well. So here are all 3 of the belts right here that I want to show you guys. This is the one that I use. These are obviously for women, but if guys want to use it, they definitely can as well. These are much more skinnier and much more thinner than the usual ones like these right here. Now that we can unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any belt in general is going to be worth it to give you guys that much more tighter feel. And that way you guys don't have to worry about your pants falling down or falling off. But at the end of the day, it really depends on which type of belt you guys want. If you guys want a skinnier one or you guys want like a thicker one right here. But like I mentioned, I think these are actually much better than these right here because it's much more easier to kind of like release it. And it definitely has a better design or look to it compared to these right here. But the good thing about these right here is the fact that you definitely get that more classic look to it like a regular belt compared to these newer ones right here. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.